The next ingredient in my recipe for mental health in hard times is connection. So I find connecting with people to be very nurturing. And I find that people are always kinder and conversations are always more nuanced when they're had in person or, on the phone, right? Text can go awry. You can start to feel bad if you text somebody and they don't text you back. We've all been there. I don't even think, text is an okay way to reach out, but I actually think phone calls are better if possible. And if you can get with people, be close enough to them that you can, share a hug, even better. So connection as much as humanly possible, I think is a really good way to, share misery, share your feelings, have a good conversation, have a cry, whatever it is you need to have. I think it's, that's a thing that I lean on so hard in times like this. And a corollary to that is I find social media to be particularly terrible when times are really dark.